Welcome to our channel. If you want to clear browser cache on Microsoft Edge to improve performance and free up storage, follow these step-by-step instructions. Step 1. Open Microsoft Edge on your computer. You can launch it from your desktop, taskbar, or start menu depending on where you've pinned the application. Step 2. Click on the three-dot menu icon in the top right corner of the browser window to access the Settings and Options menu. Step 3. Select Settings from the drop-down menu. This will open a new tab with various browser configuration options organized in categories on the left sidebar. Step 4. Click on Privacy, Search, and Services in the left sidebar menu. This section contains all settings related to your browsing data and privacy. Step 5. Scroll down to find the Clear Browsing Data section. Click on Choose What to Clear button to select specific types of data to remove. Step 6. Select the time range from the drop-down menu at the top. Options include last hour, last 24 hours, last 7 days, last 4 weeks, or all time. Step 7. Check the boxes for the types of data you want to clear. For cache specifically, make sure Cached Images and Files is selected. You can also select cookies, browsing history, and other data types. Step 8. Click the Clear Now button to remove the selected data. Edge will process the request and clear your cache, which may take a moment depending on how much data needs to be deleted. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel.